In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a quotation on Alibaba. Let's start at alibaba.com. Use the search bar to find the exact product you need, then open a listing that looks promising. Take a moment to review the product details, photos, and supplier profile so you know you're talking to the right manufacturer. When you're ready, click Contact Supplier or Chat Now. This opens Alibaba's messaging window, where you'll send your quotation request directly. Your message is the most important part. Keep it clear and complete so the supplier can quote accurately the first time. Include the product name or a link to the listing, your intended quantity and minimum order expectations, your target price if you have one, the destination country for shipping, any customization needs such as logo or packaging, and your timeline. Here's a simple template you can adapt. Hi, I'm interested in this product. Please send me your best quotation for quantity, 100 units, price per unit, shipping cost to my country, production and delivery time, and sample availability. Thank you. Short, specific messages like this almost always get faster replies. After you send it, give the supplier some time to respond. Many reply within about 24 hours. A proper quote should include the unit price, minimum order quantity, available shipping options, and lead time. If any part is missing or unclear, ask for clarification right away. Don't stop at a single supplier. Reach out to several, ideally 5 to 10, so you can compare total costs, including product and shipping. Avoid choosing solely on the lowest price. Weigh quality, lead time, communication, and payment terms as part of the decision. If you want suppliers to come to you, use Alibaba's request for quotation tool. On the RFQ page, fill in the product name, quantity, budget range, custom requirements, and destination country, then submit. Multiple suppliers will contact you with quotes automatically. This approach is especially useful for bulk orders or custom products. Once quotes arrive, ask follow-up questions. Confirm whether trade assurance is available, whether the MOQ can be reduced if sample fees are refundable, whether there are any hidden costs such as packaging or handling, and if they can support private labeling. When it's time to negotiate, be polite and constructive. You might say, "Thank you for the quote. Can you offer a better price if I increase my order in the future?" Before paying, confirm every detail: unit price, total price including shipping, shipping method, delivery time, and payment terms. Save screenshots of the agreement and keep records for reference. That's it. Now you're ready to request, compare, and secure solid quotations on Alibaba with confidence.